All right, here's a room tour of room 603 at the Palace Resort in Myrtle Beach. Let's go in. Found this condo on Airbnb. I like to do reviews on a lot of the places I stay in Airbnb. I shouldn't do one on this one though, because I like this one. I want to come back to it, and I don't want them to get too busy. But you know, if it happens, it happens. So right away, you get your bathroom right here. Nice, it's a clean bathroom, shower tub, simple and clean. This unit is a little outdated as far as like the cabinets go. But you know, if you're coming down here on Myrtle Beach, you're not here for the cabinets. You know, here's the kitchen. You know, so what? So what if it's an 80s kitchen? You got everything you need. You got the refrigerator, the stove, the oven, the microwave. You know. But here, this is what you pay for. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. The view of the beach. You're looking right down on the pool here. I've stayed at a few resorts in Myrtle Beach. They're hit or miss. You gotta look at the reviews. But you know, if you're renting a room from a private company like this, I mean, that's where these reviews come in handy. 6th floor. You have a southerly view. I mean, you can only see so far up the beach here before you cut off. But, I mean, what else do you need? This is pretty darn good. They call this an ocean view. I call it an Oceanfront. Sun's getting ready to go down. So I thought anyone interested in renting this room may want to view this video. It's a little bit of a smaller porch, but still, I mean, what do you need if you only got 1 or 2 people here? It's adequate. Then you have this little breakfast nook here, and more great views. Gotta clean those windows. Kind of hard to clean this one, but anyway, so here's more of the room, and basically you got your bed right here in the middle of the room. That's right. I like listening to the ocean. And then you got a sofa. I think that is a pull-out bed. Your TV. Another chair here. So just a quick room tour. If you're thinking about renting room 603 at the Palace in Myrtle Beach, you'll find it on Airbnb. I don't think I found it on Priceline. I'm not saying it's not there, but look for it on Airbnb. And this is a bargain. You're going to pay about, after everything is said and done, taxes, cleaning fees, you're going to pay about $125 a night to stay here. But this is real cozy. It's perfect for a single traveler or a couple, or maybe even a husband and wife and a kid. So thank you for viewing my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. I have all kinds of cool videos. Give me a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and please add any comments you might have as well. Thank you again, and happy traveling.